Hello everyone, this is Kate here and I welcome you to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your trade URL on Steam. So without further ado, let's start. If you're on your desktop, go through any web browser that you prefer and then go to Steam homepage. After that, make sure that you are logged into your account, or else you can also go through Steam app on your device. Once you're at Steam page and you are logged into your Steam account, at the top of the screen you will see your Steam nickname just near this community option. So once you hover on your nickname, you will see multiple options. After that, go to your profile by clicking on this profile option. Now we will be loaded to this page. After that, at your left hand side of your screen, you will see certain option just below your edit profile option. Now I want you to go to this inventory option, so just click on inventory. After that, again you will see an option that says trade offer, so click on trade offer. Now we will be loaded to this trade offer page. Again, go to who can send me trade offers option. After that, scroll and you will be able to see your trade link at this section that says third party sites when you scroll till the end. Now you can just simply copy this URL and share your Steam trade URL. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, please make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell icon and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. And thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.